lesson, we were finding zeros of a polynomial. But what if I reversed that and said, find the factors from the zeros? How could I work backwards if I was given these answers to get what I have there? So I'm continuing the notes from last time, so this is 6. What if I was given that x equals 2, x equals 1/3, and x equals -3? Well, that would mean my factor would have had to have been x minus 2 to get that. How would I get a 1/3? Let's think about that one. To get a fraction, x equals 1/3. If I work backwards, I get that. And then this would be x plus 3. And I could multiply all that out, but for the sake of time, we're just practicing this. What would be the factors? What would give me a 2i? That's going to be x squared plus 4. Because you would subtract 4, so you'd have a negative that you're taking the square root of. Okay, so we can use that to work backwards and actually find a function. So let's start with our factors. -2 means I have a factor of x plus 2. That'd be x minus 2. And to get a 1i, that'd be x squared plus 1. Now, how can I get this to be specific enough to be an f of 3 equals -150? Well, let me show you how we can do it. Let's make a function f of x, and it could have a number on the outside. That if I plug in 3, I get -150 on the f for my f of x. So that's 50. So that means a is -3. -3 times 50.